I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful ring for your daughter or you. So here's guys. I just color it pink. So I'm gonna show you this. So if you color the wall, you need to color this color over here. And if you want to color I don't know, you need to color this dark one. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. So if you want to color the wall green, choose this. Okay, so I like the pink one. So if you color the I don't know we're gonna color this one. So I like the pink one. So that's all. I have nothing to say now, guys. So I don't know. I have nothing to say now, guys. So I don't know. So I do this. Let's try it off because I don't know. I'm gonna stick to that here. And just this goes. So I'm gonna take this. It's all pink. If you want green, then put the green or pink. So that's we're gonna take this first. I think we're gonna take it. This one, guys. We're gonna take this. I really like this. So let's color it pink because I like pink, of course. Let's color it pink. Where's the pink? Oh, there's. I just did this because I don't know. And now we're gonna take mirror. So here, I'm gonna put the mirror here. And then I'm gonna take this. We'll put it here. Oh, here, guys. And then let's color it pink. Not pink, white. Like this. And then I'm gonna take this one. Sorry guys, I copied someone and he pulled it here, guys. And then wait a minute, not there. I was forget. And then let's get this. I got that one. Where is it that I take? Oh my god. I know. So I'm gonna try this kind of thing. Let's try it. Perfect. Let's put the here. I'm just gonna take this one. Let's put it here. I mean, front of the sun, maybe. So next, we're gonna take this table. And put it here. And then let's get more. And it's my mom and dad's voice, guys. Okay, so I just gotta get this one. Let's get this. Let's put it in the box. No, not in the box. Let's turn it on. Pictures. my god. Guts. It's so big. Where's it? And I was gonna get this one, So let's go get maybe this one. I don't know. So let's put it in. Where she goes? I don't know. She's gonna go. I'm gonna go there. And hey, where? Okay, that's perfect. And then what?
We met in July. She spent some time there with me where I was able to really get to know her. She back to where I lived in San Diego. Then I came here and I met the family and my nanny,
What did he do?
the rock guy, and you know,
Ano po mga nakita ko ano?
she could really have a boyfriend. So we really weren't like holding hands. It was kind of awkward. She was at that stage. So she was trying to walk this line of, dating me, but also not sure what to do.
Let's put it here.
Sobrang unforgettable. Kasi dinala niya ako yung same beach kung saan niya ako gusto i-kiss.
Not that one. So I
This
want the two of this. This one. Hey, we're going. We're there.
for real? Kasi ako, at first, meron talaga akong insecurity sa sarili ko na. Kasi syempre, sexy ako. Tapos parang, meron ko
Okay, need more. I mean, this one. Let's put it
Yung
here.
moment na yun, nakita ko yun na meron isang
But,
tao ganyan na gumawa sa akin.
And this one.
Yung siguro parang sa ko, wow, you're the best talaga.
Hey,
Kasi yung
we're
parang
going.
sa
Ooh. No. Agay. Ayoko. Ah. I don't know, guys. I don't know. So then I don't know where. Oh my god. Okay, so now let's take this side.
I came from
Let's put it here.
and I was the breadwinner of my family. Lahat ng mga contest, lahat ng mga beauty pageants, sinasalihan ko. Not because I wanna feel beautiful or I wanna show the world na I'm beautiful, not like that. It's because every time sumasali ako, I see to it na may makikipag ko. May
That's the
magdadala
one.
akong pagkain para sa
And then I don't
after
know.
nung sumali ako sa Binibini Philippines, doon ko nakilala yung
I was gonna put it
si
here.
Jessica Rodriguez. And dinala niya ako sa Viva. And at that time po kasi, ang uso talaga na yung mga sexy films. Sabi ng manager ko, ito yung magbibigyan namin sa iyong magandang project. First movie mo, Peke Garriada, one of the best director and direct Lori. Aayawan mo ba ba ito? Sinabi siya. Tapos, okay. Ang hindi ko
But not guidance. So
let's
let's cite some food.
sa tubuhan.
Where's it? Okay. I'm gonna type. Thank you.
Sabi ko, ayoko na itong tubig. Gusto ko ng fake. Gawin ko lahat. Wala ko yung gusto yung makita. Kasi,
Yay, it worked.
kaya ko, nagagawa ko ba ito? Nagagawa ko sa church.
Oh my god! I can't believe this worked. Bro, why are here?
After
Why
one
are
day
you
ko
here?
yung sa ano namin. Alam mo ko yung kala ko sa ako, dito lang ito nakita.
I'm gonna put it here. And this one, this one.
Sabi mo parang I'm so
Hey,
madumi. Ganyan. Ginawa ko na ito.
Hey, why are you?
In my opinion, I don't think she really did anything that wrong. Those are very normal scenes in America. Movies, so I didn't see the big deal. I didn't see, I guess I'm just not interested to see that side of it. The love scenes and things like that.
I always said in the interview, Rocker is a
So,
gift from
what
God.
I'm
Not only
gonna
for
put
me,
here.
for my family,
Maybe I'll
and
put
right
this
now
here.
for our community.
I'm copying now. Wait. Put here.
Yes. Kasi pag ganun ko, sabi
What
ko,
did I put here?
alam ko ang mga Amerikano, pag nagbibigay ng malaking bato, sabi ko, pag ganito, means talagang you're important to them eh.
I'm gonna put this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Sabi ko na, nung binigay niya yung link, sabi ko, let me just go back first in the Philippines. I have commitments. Sabi ko, patayo ko muna yung bahay namin para bago ko umalis sa amin, yung mga kapatid ko, nanay ko, they're all okay. Sabi ko sa kanya.
It was 1 year very hard.
Oh wow, this chair is so nice. Where I'm
It was
gonna
just so hard. I think we saw each other only once in like 6 months.
I'm
It
gonna
just
put
it
here
takes a
maybe.
toll, you know. She's in this rising career. I just started to see like, she's too challenging. It wasn't like there was a bad thing going on with us. It was just, hey,
Yeah, this
you
one
should just
like
stay there. Your
edible.
family is huge and you've got a good thing going. Maybe you should just stay there.
Sabi ko, baka hindi ko na nakita yung ganito
Okay,
klase
so
ng lalaki
where's
sa
the
buhay ko. Na ito na yung binigay-nigad na pagkakataon ko.
So what should I put
Bumalik ako sa
here?
US, yung dito medyo ano siya, cold siya sa akin. Ang
Wait a minute, guys. My batteries. So if you're done, so I love this one. I was gonna put this one. And now if you're done, get this. You're gonna put it here. I'm copying this one to someone I see. I'm a copier man. I'm a copier girl. Where's it? Where's it? Oh, there's it. There are you. Okay, now I think I'm gonna get this. Okay, not this one now because I copied. And what is that? Sleep well. And then if you just put it here, this one. If you have this, comment down below. I'm joking. So, guys, I'm gonna tell you this. When is your birthday? Comment down below. Mine is October 11th. Let's see who is October 11th. Let's see, guys. She could be my best friend forever. And then she'll be my partner forever and ever. So this is now. So guys, this is good. Is it perfect now, guys? Wait a minute. So is it perfect now? I think there's missing. There is missing this. I think there is missing. Wait a minute. Oh no. My baby's room.
here, I'm always
So let's go. Let me buy something.
umalis na siya, ayusin ko na yung bahay.
Let me buy something.
So ngayon minsan, alam mo
Where
yung
is
sobrang bored
it?
ko, nakikita ko mga magazine. Pinagaya ko. Every time siya umuwi, iba-iba ko.
I'm burping. Hello, my sister. Wanna play? What am I doing now? Why is this? I'm just gonna delete also. I'm gonna get two because I don't know.
Doctor Vitality Wellness Clinic.
Let's gonna get this. I don't know. I'm gonna get this one. This one. Why is this only two? I thought there's three. Oh. I'm gonna get this one. There's no more.
Yung sa routine talaga niya, you always work out.
So let's get this
Tsaka syempre, you
one.
always get aligned.
Okay, that's perfect. I think that's okay.
This
Ah, I forget this one. So cute.
Vitality.
And
So,
this
pag
one,
sinabi
and
nila
this
blood
one, and this one,
blood
and this one. Where's this? Oh my god, I just get it.
Take a little finger prick and
What's
then
this?
put it under the microscope.
Oh my god, you said it.
Ayan, dyan sa grupo. Tapos, kukunin ko yung mga konting dugo mo, lalagay ko dito. Tapos makikita
So
mo
I'm
dito
gonna
kung
get
ano
this.
yung itsura ng blood mo. Pag normal blood ka, dapat ganyan. Tapos
So I forgot, guys. I have something missing. Wait a minute. I'm gonna get
Give you a very quick
the grandma one.
blood in your body.
There's a grandma one. The grandma one.
Tell a lot. There's stress on the
This is my family.
You can see all
This
of
is my family too.
So it's just a quick snapshot of your blood status.
I'm curious, you both work together every day. Now, because what happened, he's inside the clinic, ako naman, nag-round. Yeah. Some couples working together every Let's do
Saying something.
I gotcha. So I just get this one. I don't wanna play it.
Kasi sabi ko, since nasa wellness industry kami, mas maganda na alam ko talaga yung mga ginagawa namin. Yes, this portion naman, pag na-assess ka na doon sa live blood, dito ka na gagawin mo yung drip. Yeah, yung drip. So while you're doing drip, you can sit here and relax. Medyo maliit pa nga siya kasi pag minsan, pag maraming tao. Private naman yan.
What should I buy? I don't know what should I buy. How should I get this one? Let's go. Let's get this one. I got this one. Let's go get Let's go.
It's great for
Let's go get
diabetic.
Hey. I think that's perfect. Wait a minute. What's this? Oh, that's so cute. Let's go down. Go down. I'm just gonna get there sometime. Oh my god. This is really. Hey, it's not done. It's not done. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, that's done. I was just gonna deliver it. I'm just gonna deliver it. Let's go. Let's take it so long. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go here. Oh my god. Hey, the deliver has come. The deliver has come. Yeah. Stand up there. Why am I here? It's taking so long. Look, it's 19. I think, guys. Let's go. this is gonna be end when it's 2030. This is gonna be end. So there's a part 2, guys. You know. Oh yeah! My God, it delivered. You know this hack, guys? Comment down below, guys. Oh my God, it's almost now. It's almost 30. This is gonna be the end. And I mean, there's part 2. I'm gonna get me. Oh, this is me. I'm so cute. Who's that? Is the ice cream? Oh, so where did it go? Where did it go? Did the ice cream man took it? Oh my God, I was just delivered so much. I'm gonna get here. It's 13 now. Oh my God, guys, it passed by now. So I think this is gonna be the end of the. So bye, guys. I think bye. I love you so much.